Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Alright, it's going to be our Warbird Wednesday feature. We're going to take up the Flightline F4U Corsair. Now we might get 2 flights in, and what we'll do is we'll do a part 1, and that'll be this Wednesday's Warbird feature, and then we'll do part 2 on the following Wednesday. So get a, kind of a sequel. Alright, now wind is that way. Runway is this way, wind is that way, and about 15 mile an hour. Almost completely across the runway, but this is a big heavy plane.
Motor on.
They don't care. So my approach is going to be from the deep southeast here and landing on the corner of the runway and trying to keep her straight, but we'll see. Alright, right, left, up, down, right, left. Gonna fly in my high rates. Got a 5,000 HRB as far forward as I can shove that sucker, and timer is set for 8.5 minutes. This plane actually does fly for quite a while on a 5,000. Oh, I forgot, it does have reverse thrust. I have that on a switch instead of interrupter, but I don't ever use it, so. Okay, I'll just stand right here then. Definitely will not be needing takeoff flaps today. Okay.
Timer reset.
Here we go. Whoa.
The gear is going up.
Yeah, it's windy today.
Time remaining 8 minutes.
Oh, that's beautiful. Haven't flown this plane in a hot minute. Getting CG is so simple on this plane. Put a 5,000 as far forward as you can get it, and you're there. And that's all you got to do. Take it up. I know I got the decals on the wrong wing. I realized that after I'd already done it, but that's okay. Alright, let's see if we can
Time remaining 7 minutes.
risk it and do a lower pass, even with this wind. At least the wind is constant. That makes a huge difference. Oh boy. Landing's going to be fun. That's full speed right there. All right, let's go full speed into the wind now. Take it out. All right.
The gear is coming down. Time remaining 6 minutes.
Do a gear pass. Make sure my gear is down. Tail wheel comes down too. Gear is down. A little bouncy on the gear, but given the wind and everything, I think that was pretty good. We'll take off from right there. All right. I got to get on that rudder.
The gear is going up. Time remaining 5 minutes.
Full speed. All right, outside stick roll. Dive bomb. Da 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 da. My high-tech FX sound there. Take it up and snap roll again.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Inside sticks. Recovers no problem, really. Just do, if you're going to do anything like that, do it up high.
The gear is coming down.
Do it up high. Give yourself time to think. All right, gear do take a while to come down. They're down all the way though. Do a gear pass though. Ooh, boy, is it windy. All
Time
right.
remaining 3 minutes.
Let's get one more takeoff and landing, and then we're going to call it a flight because it's getting so cross runway that it's, you know, when you get to the point where you can't even enjoy yourself. Definitely don't need flaps today, that's for sure. All right, gotta get on that rudder. Driver into the air.
The gear is going up.
All right, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go back and come from the other direction here and do a fast pass with the wind. Here we go. Yeah.
The gear is coming down.
Make sure my gear is down. It's
Time
down.
remaining 2 minutes.
Oh boy. Gonna be in the grass, but that's okay. And as I get turned, I gotta turn that, you know what? Keep that tail planted. Full up elevator. All right, go over our rates real quick. You should be able to see the control surfaces just fine.
Prop is secured.
Prop
Safe
is
to
secured.
approach.
All right, go over our, still had a minute left, but on an 8.5 minute timer. Flew in my high rates. Ailerons are 100% with 30% expo. Elevator, 125 with 30% expo. No, I'm sorry. That was on rudder. Rudder, elevator's 100 with 30% expo. Rudder is 125 with 30% expo. Did not use my flaps because of the wind, but let me share it with you anyways. There's no mix needed. Flaps up on Spectrum are negative 100%. Take off,
Flaps.
nice split flaps are negative 30, no mix, and landing is a
Landing
positive 50 with no mix need. If I had no wind today, then that's what I'd be flying in. All right, there's no need to tell CG to you. Dang it, there's just,
Flaps up.
because CG is a simple rule. There's only one battery you want to use in this plane, a 5000 6S. You want that 5000 6S as far forward as you can shove it. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to remember. Okay, simple. 5000 6S as far forward as you can get it. Throttle cut is on. Okay, top loader, check our battery. Like I said, we still had a minute on a 8.5 minute timer. Find my battery lead, balance lead. 43% left, so that's just perfect. To show you, I mean, I can show it to you, but like I said, it's so simple. Leave the weights that are in the prop, that are in the cowl, leave them in there. Don't take them out. And put that 5000 as far forward as you can shove it. That's all you got to do. Seriously, that's all you got to do. And she will, yeah, put that 5000 as far forward as you can get it, and you're in good shape. Swinging a huge prop, big scale prop. Got an EC5 connector. And folks, that is the F4U Corsair. She got light, she got flaps, she got a big honking prop, whatever honking means. And she's just a good flying bird. You can fly around for 8 minutes, fly the way you want. Well folks, thank you so much for watching. God bless y'all, God is good. And that is the Flightline F4U Corsair from Motion RC. I am not an affiliate, and I don't work for them in any type of way, other than the fact that They don't even have their affiliate program anymore. I used to be a part of it, but it's just a good flying plane, and I love their products, folks, and they're good people to deal with. Thank you for watching. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, F4U Corsairs, and this is our Warbird Wednesday feature, and this is part 1. We'll get another for the next Wednesday. See you later. Bye-bye.